Good morning, students. So today we are going to study about soil. Okay, so let's start. So now our next chapter is chapter number 10, Soils of India. Now let's see. We all know that plants grows in soil, right? Plants grows in soil. Animal depends on plants for their food, right or not? Animals depend on plants for their food, as well as human beings depend on plants for their food. Thus, all living things on the earth depend on the soil for their food, right? All the living things in the on earth depend on soil for food. We also depend on the soil for many other things apart from food. Also, there are various other things which we depend on soils. Now let's see the other topic is. Next topic is uses of soil. That where soil is used. We use soil for various different things, right? We use soil for agriculture, as agriculture in India is the most important earning factor which is used by the people of India to earn the livelihood. People use mud to make walls of their houses and village. People use mud, which is again part of soil, and which is used to make walls, which is used to make houses. We make clothes from cotton and jute plant, which in turn needs soil for the production. And the cloth which we are wearing, from which plant we have got it? We have got it from cotton, and cotton plant also need soil. And next important thing is, it is one of the most important natural resources. It is one of the most important natural resource. Similarly, there are various other uses of soil. Next is formation of soil, that how soil is formed, right? In this topic we are going to study the formation of soil. Rocks on the earth are broken down into small pebbles by rain, flowing water and roots by rain, flowing water and roots of the plant. Rocks on the earth, these are broken by rain, flowing water, roots of the plant, and these rocks are then created into pebbles. These pebbles break down further to form tiny bits of soil. Further, these pebbles are broken down into tiny bits of soil by wind, and by wind, rain and rivers, they carry the soil to different places. Now the pebble is being further converted into tiny bits of soil, okay, and that soil is carried away by whom? By wind, rain or river, and it is carried to different places. Remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil to make it fertile. Remains of dead plants and animals, matlab those animals and plants which are died, they mix with the soil, and that makes the soil very fertile. Fertile means, what is the meaning of fertile? Fertile means upjau, means that plants grows very well in that soil, okay. It takes more than 100 years for nature to make just 1 centimeter of soil. Now again, this is very important, that how much time does it take for the formation of soil. It takes more than 100 years by the nature to make just 1 centimeter of soil. 1 centimeter soil बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लग जाता है? More than 100 years, okay. Now in the next topic we are going to study about the types of soil, that how many types of soil are found in India. There are mainly 6 types of soil found in India. These different types of soils are suitable for growing different types of crops, okay. All these different types of soil are suitable for growing different types of crops, right? That's why various variety of crops are grown in India. We all know that various variety of crops are grown in India, and that is because of different types of soil. Now let's see what are the different types of soil. First soil is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. So students, that's all for today. In our next class we are going to study about all the types of soil and in which area they are found, and what type of soil is best for what crops. Okay.